guys, how's it going? My name is Jack. If you haven't seen my face before, it means you're not subscribed to my channel, so make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. Show this video some love by giving it a big old thumbs up, and also turn on my post notifications so you don't miss a new video. Now in today's video, I'm doing something quite different because, you know, a lot of people have been curious on how exactly you install LED headlights on your car. Now I've been seeing these posts on Facebook for $150 LED headlights. That is ridiculous. LEDs do not cost that much money. Do not buy them. I will link these on down below. These ones came on Amazon. They were only $45 for my car, and I do not recommend that you spend $150 on a pair of LED headlights because that is not worth the money. $45 seems reasonable, so I'm going to show you how to install these on your car. Very straightforward, come with instructions and everything. So yeah, let's get set up. I'm going to show you how to install it. First things first that I recommend is you have a basic toolbox here because you're going to need tools to take the headlights apart. So yeah, let's get started. As you can see here, I have a lighting setup here where I'm going to put the tripod and you guys will be able to see what work I'm doing. First things first, before you do any work, you need to disconnect this battery so you don't fry anything out. Don't risk it. You may only be changing headlights, but just don't risk it. Disconnect the battery so you don't fry anything. You especially don't want to fry your brand new headlights, plugging them in just like that. Make sure everything's securely put in place before you reconnect the power. So that's the major one, disconnect the power. So I'm going to do that. Now in this particular headlight beam, it has two super bright LEDs. Some of them have 3, but this is a more budget LED, so it only has 2. So if you're going to get one with 3, you're going to spend a little bit more money, but don't buy the ones off Facebook that are $150 because honestly, you're getting ripped off. So look on Amazon because they're a lot cheaper. So that cap just unscrews like so, and you get into the headlight assembly, which is right there. As you can see here, the old headlight comes out just like that. It may take a bit of wiggling, but it comes out nice and easy. You get a 10% discount. And then you also get the information on how to install the product. Now, you lift out one of them. Doesn't matter which one, they're both the same. They come with adapters here, which just click into your old ones right there. Your old connector just comes out like so. And as you can see on the new one, it has the exact same connectors. Here's the old bowl, and I'll do a comparison and show you exactly what it looks like. So after an insane amount of cursing and swearing, I finally got it in there, locked in there nice and snug. Apply some light in there, that way you can kind of see what's going on. Thing is sitting in there nice and snug now. Now it's always a good idea to check to make sure they're in properly. In this case, you can see the LED is not in properly. It's supposed to be behind this thing that makes it beam the entire headlight. In this case, it's not. So make sure these are ready and make sure these are properly in place before you screw everything back together, because it's going to be a huge pain in the butt realizing you didn't align them properly. But I got it in pretty good. This is this side over here, and I'll show you this side. They're in alignment pretty well. So here's the regular halogen factory one that it comes with, and then if we walk over here, here's bright and beautiful LED. Man, I can't wait to show you guys what these are going to look like on the road. The last one put on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in the dark, because it's not really good in this parking lot. It doesn't do justice because it's light in this parking lot. So we're going to take it into a dark country road, and I'll show you guys what the difference really looks like. The one thing I've learned about these is you cannot actually get these caps back on, so that's not a huge deal because the thing sticks out too much. It's actually just too long, like the connector, so this will not go back on, so it's not a huge deal. The seals are all IP67 waterproof. Honestly, you're not submerging this in underwater, and no one's driving their car through water, so I mean, it doesn't have to be IP68. As long as it's IP67 and it can resist a bit of water, it's completely fine, so you don't need this cap on here. It's not doing anything but getting in the way. Now, if your old halogens still work completely fine, I do recommend holding on to them in case these LED ones do fail. They're not perfect. Things do fail in this world, so make sure you hold on to your halogens so if these ones do fail, you're not completely screwed and you can just go back to your old halogens. I recommend just keeping them in the box that the LED ones came in, and then that way, if they go bad, you can just put these old halogen ones back in and send the LEDs off. to mention that the LED ones that I purchased came with a 50,000 kilometer 2-year warranty, even though they'll last way longer than that, but they're guaranteeing them for that long. So they do come with a warranty, so if they do go bad, you can send them back in that time period. That's what the high beams look like. I'll try and get them from an angle so there isn't so much glare. That's what the high beams look like, and the low beams. And look at the road. High beams, low beams. High beams, low beams. That's what the low beams look like from the front. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you are new. Turn on my post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. And yeah, I will leave a link down below in the description where you can check out these LED lights for yourself. Buy a pair of them for you. Honestly, best investment you can make. You get better safety on the road. You can see things farther ahead. They're so much better. They're so much brighter, and they last a heck of a lot longer, so you won't have to worry about replacement for a long time. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys.